Today I'm going to teach you about a math model called a tape diagram. Tape diagrams are very helpful. They can show addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You're going to love it. Now some teachers start out introducing tape diagrams using part, whole. That's because a tape diagram is really just a box where the top of the box is the whole and the bottom are the two parts. For example, when you add, you take two parts, let's say a 3 and a 7, and you put them together to make a whole 10. Now some of you may be saying, hey, the 3 is the same size as the 7. It doesn't really matter in tape diagrams if things are proportional. If it helps you to do it that way, that's great. But if it's hard for you, don't worry about it. Now that I have this tape diagram, I can write some addition and subtraction sentences. I can put together my two parts. 3 plus 7 equals 10, or 7 plus 3 equals 10. Or I can take away a part and do subtraction. 10 minus 7 equals 3, and 10 minus 3 equals 7. So you see how you can have a tape diagram to match a fact family. All right, what about multiplication and division? Let's erase this. So the same way I draw a tape diagram to start, have a box. Do that every time. The top of the box is my whole, and the bottom is the parts. The difference between what we've done in addition, adding just two numbers, and what we're going to do with multiplication is we're going to have more boxes. So let's say I have 2, 3, 4, we'll say 6 fits. 6 boxes, and inside each box I'm going to put a 4. Now all I have to do is add up all of these 4s to get my whole. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So I know my whole is 24. Now I can write some math sentences to match my tape diagram. So I have 6 boxes, or 6 groups, so that number comes first in multiplication, times, I have a 4 in each box, that equals 24. I couldn't use the commutative property in this case because I don't have 4 groups, I have 6 groups. So if I wanted it to show 4 times 6 equals 24, I'd have to redraw my tape diagram with a different number of groups and a different number in each group. But I can write division. 24 divided into 6 groups equals 4 in each group. Or 24 divided into groups of 4 equals 6 groups. So I hope this was helpful as an introduction to tape diagrams. I'll be making more videos, so go ahead and check those out. Thanks so much.